सर मैंने सारे वो कर्व्स लेटर्स जो भी थे ना मैंने वो ट्राई किए थे रात को तो
Okay, fine, good. J, G, D, C, fine. Good job. तो अभी एक कर्व लेटर तो बनाना आ गया. Let us see that how to convert that into perspective, and then we can move ahead with our lines in which we are going to make furniture today. Furniture के बाद उसी को आगे convert करने वाले हैं. So in making this in perspective, what you will be doing is you will be making you can take point here or you can take point here also. Let us take point onto this side this time and see how we have to make lines in this. So you will converge this part to this point. This edge can be converged to the vanishing point here. This edge can also be converged to the vanishing point here. The curve is starting from here and it's ending here. We're going to converge each and every side like that. Make multiple lines over here. Keep converging them the way that I'm doing. So all these points, like wherever you have taken the curve, okay, to that reference, will converge all of them to the vanishing point. All these points will be getting converged here. After doing this, we will see the distance from here that you want to keep. Like suppose you keep this distance and don't take much. Okay. Take a safer distance, don't take only less distance so that the curve should come parallel. If you do take a lot of distance, you will not be able to make them precisely. So take a lesser distance. See the curve here, see the length over here and take the same length here. See the length over here and take the same length here from this side. Draw all these points wherever you think the length is coming. So this is where the length is coming. This is where it will come here. And this is where it will come here. And see the curve which is going, and then make a parallel curve like that. And join this edge with the edge of the circle. So this will become tangent actually, and this will get smooth here. Don't make it pointed. This will get smooth here, and make a curve accordingly. See the curve over here, make a parallel curve like that, and join. As you reach to this side, this will reduce because of the distance here. This will reduce. This curve will come inside. Okay, this is where people make mistake. This curve will come inside here because that is, if you see the curve which is the border of S, that is coming inside. So other curve will also come inside only. That's how it will be made. Now see the distance that we have taken here. Take the same distance from here. See the curve which is going up. Make the curve accordingly. Make this curve in the same way. This part will also get attached. ये समझ में आया? I hope you guys have understood this. There's no doubt in that. Yeah? Shishta, your voice is very low, beta. You should keep the mic close to your mouth so that I could hear you properly. Yeah, I can still hear you, beta. I still can't hear you.
now sir
Yeah, now I can hear. See the length over here. Keep the same length here. And as you can see, I have converged this point. So this will also become parallel over here. So there is a line which will go here, and you can see this line. This will go inside and get joined like that, and this will become slanted. So that's how the curve over here will get parallel. So this will be partially seen, will be very less. Okay, this curve will be very less, but it has to be in the way that we have drawn the inside curve. So if this curve is going like that, the other curve will also go in the similar manner and get joined. Now you need to see the distance here and take the same distance over here. Make it parallel to the line over here. And if we see the side, this will also get converged. So look at the line here and make this line parallel. This will be partially seen. Only this much will be seen. Similarly, we have to make the inside part also. Now see the length over here. Take the same length here. Take the same length here. Take the same here. And here as well. And here too. Look at the curve here. And there will be a curve which will come parallel to this. We'll go here. We'll take this point over here. And this will get joined to this side. That's how our S will be done in perspective. This is how the S curve will be done in perspective. This is how letter S will be done. That's how it will look. I hope you guys have understood how to get there. And if you have done this, we can move ahead with our furniture drawing. Whenever you guys are through, you can show me, okay? And on the basis of the similar concept, we should do others also. The other letters that you have shown me, make sure that you try them from perspective. Okay, how to give 1 point perspective and get the depth. Okay. Even you can play with them, like you can place one here and one above and try to join them to the vanishing point. That is also you can do. So your concept of curves will be clear there. Will get very much clear there.